In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone from Google Meet. If you've ever had a disruptive participant or simply need to manage your meeting more tightly, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to stop someone from rejoining once they've been removed. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that you're the meeting host. Only the host or someone with host controls can block a participant. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, you may not have host privileges yet, so double check that you're the one who started the meeting or that host controls have been assigned to you. Once you're in the meeting, look to the top right corner of the screen and open the People panel. It's the icon that looks like a small group or person silhouette. This panel shows everyone who is currently in the call, as well as those who may be requesting to join. Find the participant you want to manage in the list. Next to their name, you'll see a three-dot menu labeled More Actions. Click that menu to reveal the available controls for that participant. This is where you can mute someone, pin them, or, in this case, remove them. Choose Remove from the call. When you do, Google Meet will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is the important part. In that prompt, you'll see an option to block the user from this call. Select that option before you confirm. Checking it ensures they can't rejoin the meeting using the same link, and their join request will be automatically denied for the remainder of this call. A few quick notes to set expectations. Blocking in this context applies to the current meeting only. It doesn't permanently block the person across all future meetings. If you schedule another meeting later, they'll be able to join unless you repeat this process. Also, if you can remove someone but don't see the block option, it usually means you're not the primary host or the interface has slightly changed. Refreshing or confirming host status often resolves that. If you remove someone without checking the block option, they may still be able to rejoin or request to join again. So if your goal is to prevent re-entry, always confirm that the block checkbox is selected before you click to finalize. That's all there is to it. Open the People panel, use the three-dot More Actions next to the participant, remove them, and in the confirmation dialog, check the option to block from this call. This gives you quick, reliable control and keeps your meeting focused and secure.